So while we're waiting on rivets, and I see a UPS truck, so I might be getting rivets right about now. But while I've been waiting for the rivets, I cleaned up the frame, acetoned it, got it down to bare metal. Then I put uh, phosphoric acid in a spray bottle and sprayed it pretty liberally, got it in all the joints, and let it turn iron oxide, which is rust, into iron phosphate, which is much more stable and corrosion resistant, turns it black. It produces sodium phosphate in water, and then you have to take a Brillo pad. After it sits overnight, take a Brillo pad, get all of the sodium phosphate off, re-acetone it, and then hit it with Black Star. And I'm actually pretty happy because I used about a solo cup and a half of this Black Star to pretty much do this whole frame for a coat, top to bottom, like even 2 coats in some areas. And I'm pretty happy with that because this is like $100 a bottle. So now I know why. And so now we're gonna let this cure overnight. We could probably do a couple of coats. There are a couple of spots where sodium phosphate crystals are coming through, so I'm gonna have to wire wheel those back down, get rid of them, re-acetone them, re-scrub them, clean them, use water. Don't use any more sodium bicarbonate. Then just reapply Black Star and let it cure. So that's the process of where we are. But after that, this thing is probably going to be ready for paint, and then we can start bolting stuff to it. So that's great. I will clean up the spots down there. I'll wire wheel off the Black Star so that we can hot rivet in those parts down on the back section and the rear shock mount, which I got to go pick up tomorrow. But other than that, this thing will be ready for a top coat. I also have seam sealer, brushable seam sealer, which is pretty much Evercoat, which is an epoxy. That's going to go in all the joints to prevent any more liquid from ever getting in there. So the process, after I get the Black Star in here, after I hot remedy it, I'm going to seam seal it, fix a few spots, seam seal it, and then probably Black Star over the seam seal, and then I'll be ready to put chassis paint on. So that's the process. That's what I've been working on. I've been scrambling to try to get this thing ready to go so we can start bolting on front end, rear end, start building this thing out. these are the rivets from the crossbeam. Like we said in the last video, we made some tooling for it. Button these in. So these are all in nice and tight. So yeah, this thing's not going anywhere. This plate also riveted in. Some black star on it. Shock mount buttoned in nice and tight. This one's a little darker, but they're all riveted in very nicely. So a lot of this is just black star over the top of it. So after we blasted everything, acetoned everything, cleaned everything, catch you up, we phosphoric acid etched it, black starred, covered it, put the sealer on the lap joints, all of them, and went ahead and put chassis paint on it, chassis paint enamel, so this thing is good to go. We've been working on getting the leafs done, the shock mounts done, motor mounts, rebuilt the steering box. No slop in there at all. Now it's much better. We put the transfer case on there to get it out of the shop. We've just been working through all the details. So it's been a busy couple of weeks, which is why we've been trying to make some good videos here. On the flip side, March 13th and 14th, we registered the Twister special for good guys, and then they give, if you register your car, they give you this thing where you upload a picture if you want to do a poster. So we did. What the heck? So they made this for us. I don't know if they're going to disseminate this at the show or not, but I thought it would be kind of cool to put out there. So Twister special. I've never seen one at Good Guys. Who knows? But we're gonna bring one to Scottsdale in a couple weeks. That's a lot. I don't even know. Like, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps us out. Or don't. Or you can just stop by at Good Guys in Scottsdale and just say what's up. This truck's coming along.